Slab 4x4 fishing here again, and today I'm going to do a little quick video on two new tools I picked up for my everyday carry bag and my little do-all go bag for small jobs at work. I've seen a lot of reviews and a lot of people talking about these two tools. I'm fairly new to Knipex. I've already bought a few items for my big tool bag at work, and now I'm working on my small tool bag. And this is the two newest pieces. I bought the Knipex Cobra 125 water pump pliers, and I bought the 125 Pliers Wrench pliers. And I can't believe how small these are, but they look great. I'm gonna open them up real quick and check them out. I cannot believe how small these Cobras really are. Pictures will really fool you when you're looking at them online. But I mean, they're fully functional miniature pliers. They actually feel great. I do locksmith work, access control work. I'm working on a lot of small stuff. I can see where I would have a need for these. Plus, I just really wanted them. I mean, I'll be honest with you. They're awesome. I do have a pair of the Cobra 250s already. I have one in my small job bag and my big job bag at work. But you can see, compared to the 250s, just how small they are. Yeah, they're going a lot of great reviews on these pliers. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail on it because there's a million videos out there on YouTube about them. I just wanted to make a quick video and can't wait to use them and try them out. Next is the Pliers Wrench 125s. These babies are small too. These are so small, but man, these are very well made. These are gonna work really great in my everyday carry bag. These are both advertised as 5-inch pliers. Got some real thin jaws to get in tight spaces. '8603 125. And these are the chrome finish ones with the regular grips on them. I am going to get a pair of the 7-inch ones shortly. That'll be my next purchase. And these have the regular Cobra grips on them. 8701 125. Pliers feel great. Can't wait to try them out. Just wanted to, I really appreciate y'all's time watching the videos, and thanks again. Y'all keep checking back.